Hi guys, we're really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for reviewing purposes. This is how it looks already assembled. These are the instruction manual and it comes with everything you need to assemble it, okay? It uses fan blades, which I think they are nice. They have this wooden design, which I find really nice. And what I like about it is that it's a ceiling fan with a matte finish, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it. It comes with everything you need to install, all the nuts, bolts, all the pieces that you need, which I think it's great. And you also get obviously the receiver and the remote control, okay, which I think it's great. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. As you can see, the installation, it's really easy. You can do it all by yourself. It doesn't take that much long. And what I like about this ceiling fan with lights is that it's really nice and it has two-sided fan blades. You can place them with a walnut finish or a black finish like I did. And another feature that I find quite excellent is that it's a really silent working fan, which I think it's nice. And it uses these E12 light bulbs, which are really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it's really nice because it comes included with this base for the remote controller, which is really slim, and I find it quite nice. You can place it wherever you want because it comes with screws included, which I think it's great. And with the remote control, we can turn on the lights, select the speed of the fan. You got 3 different speeds, which I think it's great. Okay. And you can set it up for up to 8 hours of use continuously, and it will turn off automatically, which I think it's a great option. And overall, I think it's nice. As you could see, it's really easy to install. It looks amazing. I like a lot the black metal finish that it has. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.